In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor editor getting stuck on loading. If you've been facing this frustrating issue, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the simplest solution to get your editor loading in no time. So grab your favorite beverage and let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your WordPress site, so start by heading over to your website's WordPress login page. If you're doing this for the first time or need a refresher on how to find it, you would usually simply add wp-admin to the end of your site's URL. Enter your username and password to log in. This is your gateway to solving the stuck Elementor editor issue. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is the main control hub for your website. From here you can manage every aspect of your site, including the Elementor editor settings that we need to adjust. Now on the left hand side of your screen you'll see a menu. Click on Elementor. This action will bring you to the Elementor dashboard, where we'll do some adjustments to fix that loading screen problem. Next, within the Elementor dashboard, you'll want to navigate to Tools. This section houses a few debugging options that can come in handy whenever you face hiccups with the Elementor editor. Tools are indispensable for resolving the kinds of issues we're dealing with here, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with this area. Now, after selecting Tools, click on the General tab. This section provides a variety of settings, but the one we're interested in at the moment is the Safe Mode. Safe Mode is crucial as it lets you troubleshoot without interference from other plugins or themes, offering a clean environment to pinpoint the source of the problem. Here's where we address the problem head on. Look for the Safe Mode option. Once found, enable it. Activating Safe Mode temporarily deactivates plugins and themes that may conflict with Elementor, so you get a clear view of what's causing the Elementor editor loading issue. So there you have it, a simple, efficient way to troubleshoot when your Elementor editor won't load. By following these steps, you should be able to isolate and resolve the problem and get back to creating stunning web pages without the hassle of the loading screen hanging over your project. Remember, if enabling Safe Mode fixes the issue, it suggests there's a conflict with another plugin or theme. You'll need to investigate further to find what's causing the conflict, but at least now you're on the right path to solving it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Elementor editor running smoothly again.